good names, please.
I'm Saurabh Miglani.
I am Jitendra.
Robert.
Sir, what products you are displaying this time?
We are displaying a range of products right from indoor and outdoor lighting. It starts from the regular run-of-the-mill downlighters to halogen replacements to outdoor products which LED street lights, industrial lights, wall washers. There are some innovative products on display as well, which includes certain bulbs which we have created for new, which can replace incandescent bulbs. So we've got an entire range.
We've got the high bay also, which is innovative.
Any new launches recently?
So as he pointed out, the high bay light is one of our new launches.
And how's the response in these 3 days?
I think we've been pretty happy about the response that we've got. We are a first timer here in this exhibition, and it's pretty exciting to be here.
Any suggestions, sir?
Suggestions? Well, there are certain. I think it was well managed overall, but I think what one can improve. There's always scope for improvement. Is that you can get more of the public sector companies representatives into the board, more government officials into the board, because they need to understand the value of LED more than anybody else right now. Because if they don't back companies like us, then LED will remain limited.
Sir, anything about LED market of India for manufacturers or distributors? Anything?
Yeah, we need no more manufacturers of LED. I think presently, apart from Quality Photonics, I mean, no one else is actually encapsulating the chip in India. So if we had more people, actually we'll have a reduction in the cost, plus the deliveries would also be better. You wouldn't have to wait for your shipment time of 1 month, 2 months, certain maximum inventories that we have to maintain. So I think that in that way we'll benefit, these small companies which are tending to grow, which have a good technology backup. So if we were to get more LED manufacturing companies in India, the chip manufacturing companies, it will be good for us.
Yeah, you also need to develop the entire ecosystem, whether it is a regulatory framework, the customs clearances, and the whole bureaucracy which comes around. So maybe we need to develop an entire ecosystem. The skilled manpower, we have challenges recruiting people who are difficult to find people who are skilled in manufacturing LED lights. So overall the entire ecosystem needs to come up if we have to succeed in this area, whether it is the chip manufacturing like Gardner Sub said, and then whether it is skilled manpower, training. I think there is a lot of talent available in this country, and all we need to do is refine the talent and push them in that direction. Just like we have done with the IT sector, this can be the next IT sector for a country like India.
Anything from the government side, any initiative you would like that this policy should be made or anything?
I think government is doing its bit. For example, in the new 12th plan, LED is getting the boost that it should get, and it will take its time, like it happened with the CFL. So I think government is doing its job. But as public, we should also understand that what kind of technologies LED is, what benefit it gives you. So it will happen with time. We'll be pretty happy with what's happening in the Indian market.
So how's your experience with the MEX LED Expo?
Very bad. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's been good overall. I think right from the time when the stall was being sold to us till the time, we have a whole day left.
In fact,
Let's
so
see,
good that
so far so good.
We want to start our own event management company.
But I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce who are not introduced, our colleagues, Prashant Pundrik, and there Prashant Goel, he's our Chief Financial Officer, and Vikram Karunakaram, he's our Business Development Officer.
And we are hoping you'll be there next year as well.
So we'll be in Mumbai with you.
Yeah, definitely, sir. That's great. We will welcome you this time. But I'm very happy you're the first timer exhibitor and very good response from all of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for it.